friends, welcome to Alltech and hope your day is going fine and good to see you back again. Today we will do a review of Mansa LED string fairy lights. I purchased this on Amazon India after going through various online reviews. Delivery was very fast and packaging too was pretty good. It costed me rupees 229 and when I convert to USD it's $3.10. Well, some call it as a LED fairy light and some call it as a string light. Whatever way you call it, both lead to the same product. It's a made in India product and as per the address provided at the back side of the box, they are based in Gurgaon, India. Mansa USB string lights comes in various packs. Now let's check it online. Okay, here it is. All the options are of standard size, that is 3 meters. They offer in a single pack, another set of 2 packs, another set of 2 packs with a pink color option, and another option is a RGB multicolor option. So over here they have given various product photographs with features. It comes with warranty of 18 months, which is very good. Now let's see what's in the box. It's a nice little box and inside you'll find a 3 meter long copper wire with 100 pieces of LED bulbs connected and an integrated USB plug-in and a nice little product manual card. The product manual is not too messy either. However, the USB power adapter is not included. This you will have to source externally. Now let's see how it works. Let's unwind and plug in. It's pretty straight and simple. You can connect to a power bank or to your laptop as well. Very much like a fairy look. I will wind around this shell. Now I will wind around this pot. Now I will wind around this bottle. Also I placed on this little plant in our home, or you can just place it in the background wherever you like. For me, overall it looks very glittering and gives a celebration look. We are planning to use it during our next upcoming festivals at our home. Now let's see the product features. They have mentioned it as a weatherproof, which means that you can use for both outdoor and indoor decorations. The copper wire is built with IP65 standards, which means it is water splash proof up to some extent. It comes with LED lights. It's safe to touch as per their claim. It runs on 5 volts of power and the copper wire is insulated and won't be overheated, and definitely safe to touch with no worry of getting shocked or burnt. You can bend in any shape and it doesn't get heated. They have mentioned that this wire is strong and sturdy and will not break with multiple bendings and wrappings around the objects. But to what extent it can bear the stretch or a force is unclear. Even if they are claiming that the wire is strong, but I would recommend not to overstretch it. One more spec given by Mansa is that the LED bulbs has a life up to 50,000 hours. If they have tested, then well and good for the customer and for Mansa's brand reputation as well. But I don't have any device to test the life of these LED bulbs. So we will have to go on trust on what's being told by Mansa. Now let's do some ratings and give a final verdict. Overall, I am satisfied with the product and it came as per what they had mentioned in their online listing. I find this made in India product as a real value for money if they don't increase the cost overnight, and personally I will give 4 stars out of 5. Hope you found this product review video of Mansa's LED fairy light very useful, and please post your views in the comment section if you wish to share something.